Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this dystopian outfit in Dress and Press without VIP. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle, this one, and also this one, and then you're going to color it black, and then you're going to put on this eyelashes. Okay, and then you're going to put on this item, make it this color, this dark brown color, and combine it with this item. And then for this one, you're going to choose toggle 4. Alright, and the next one, I'm going to go to the changing room. It's here, and then I'm going to put on this top. And I'm going to color it with this dark brown color. This is for the color code, guys. Okay, you can make it this color for all the selection. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to put on this sleeves from the wedge set and then make it the same color. And I'm going to put on this corset, make it the brown color. Okay, like this. And I'm going to go to the coats item, and from this menu I'm going to choose this pant, and then I'm going to apply this pattern. Okay, done. And then I'm going to put on this this boot. Okay, I'm going to make it this color, the dark brown color. Okay guys, and then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to put on this belt, and we're going to change the toggle. You're going to add chains. Alright, and then you're going to put on this knife. Okay, done. And I'm going to move to this area and put on this item, and then I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and I'm going to put on this boots, and we're going to make it this color. Alright, and I'm going to put on the stocking, and for this one I'm going to select this toggle, and we're going to make it black. Alright, and then the next one I'm going to put on this corset, and I'm going to make it black. Sorry, I'm going to make it this dark brown color for the first selection until the fourth selection. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.